Hi, welcome to another episode of Interior Design with Rae, bringing you tips and tutorials for your home renovation journey. So today I'm going to show you this 5-room HDB apartment in Yishun. Okay, my clients have already moved in, so I'm taking this opportunity to do some filming and let you guys have a look at the design, okay, my design proposal, and hopefully you'll like it. Okay, so without further ado, let's take a look. Okay guys, so this is the main entrance. For all my previous video, I think you have a good idea how the entrance foyer will look like. Today my clients have already moved in, so I'm just going to show you what they have done to their place, how they have decorated the place with very nice accessories and light fittings. Okay, so this is the shoe cabinet. So at the shoe cabinet, there's this open niche, and they have displayed this very nice figurine. Okay, over here, and then of course there's some lights here. Okay, so because they have pets, so they have installed this pet gate. Okay, so this pet gate can actually be opened both ways, right? And then so importantly is it doesn't hit the main door, so you just have to measure a little bit. So once you enter, you'll be greeted by the dining area. So at the dining area, they have bought this table, okay, with fluted leg support at the bottom. Right? It's like a base with 4 chairs. Okay, of course you can add more chairs if you want to. So for now, it looks good having 4 chairs. So on the right is the open kitchen. Okay, so open kitchen, there's this peninsula counter with 2 very nice high stool with some nice LED at the bottom. So once you come in, okay, this is a fully functional kitchen cabinet, okay, with built-in ovens, fridge, hood. Okay, this is one induction hob and then one gas hob. And over at this side here is the rubbish chute. Okay, so rubbish chute, I keep it open like that, easy to clean. So from my previous video, I've talked about this storeroom with a flush fitted door. So this would be the storeroom here. Okay, so once you close it, it actually looks very neat. And over here there's a small panel door where you can open up and can pull out this 4 panels sliding door. Okay, so you can see here I've demonstrated the opening and closing of this 4 panel sliding glass door. Okay, so once you walk to the back of the kitchen, this is actually the laundry cabinet. Okay, so for laundry cabinet, I've opened up an open space where they can place their laundry basket. Okay, this laundry cabinet also helps to hide the common bathroom from the main entrance, because the main entrance is there. So once you enter, you don't really see the common bathroom entrance. Okay, so for common bathroom is quite straightforward. Okay, there's no shower area here. So there's a vanity, some mirror. So all these are boxed up with towels. And then I've also opened up another entrance to the common bathroom. This is the original. So open up another one where you can exit out to the living and the dining, so it's more convenient instead of going one big round. So over here is the bar ledge. Okay, so where you can sit down and enjoy the view outside. So just beside the ledge will be the study area or the study room. So study room, there's a row of storage, the bottom, and then 2 panel sliding door, and of course a full row of table. Okay, and this is the glass where you can look through to the living and dining. Okay, so at the living, there's this full panel wall, right, without any feature. So basically it's painted. Okay, it's just painted with more paints. And over here is a very nice decorative wall light. This is a huge TV. I think it's 85 inch. Because it's so big, you don't really need, in my opinion, you don't really need a lot of design as the backing. So keep it simple, right, so that the TV will just blend in very well with the wall. So over there, some storage cabinet in mirror door, and then this is the storage cabinet. Okay, and then at the last 2 panel is the door to the walk-in wardrobe and the master bedroom. From my previous videos, I've explained to you how I hack away all the walls, okay, and then to segregate the study room, and this is I call a cozy area, okay, and then the dining area. Okay, so if you want to know more, you can watch my previous 3 parts video on how I started the renovation and then to almost completion. Okay, so you can watch that. I'll put the link somewhere on top here. Okay, so for a space like that, it's always nice to have a side console or a sideboard, or we call it credenza, as the backing for the sofa set. And this one will also segregate the space between the passageway to the bedroom and also the living. So I think this will demarcate the area better, because from here you can see that this is a living and then this is the passageway to the bedroom. So at the living area, what I've proposed is a cove light that bends at the corner. Okay, and basically this drop is to hide one of the beam, which is somewhere here. You can see that is a column or a pillar, and then there's a beam running across here. So this drop ceiling hides the beam. Of course, there's one more lower beam here. Okay, this is a bigger beam. So when you have false ceiling, you try to hide some beams, okay, to conceal some beams so that you have a flatter ceiling rather than you see some beam protruding out from the ceiling. So for the TV console, you can see there is a row of drawers, and then at the far end here is a slot for the subwoofer. Okay, because my client is using this Sonos surround system. And then this is the front speaker, the subwoofer, and then there's this surround speaker, the other one there. So the power points are basically hidden inside this sideboard. So the wiring is all hidden inside the floor, and of course there's this opening at the back of the sideboard where you pull out the cable. Okay, so that will make everything very neat and nice. Okay, let's enter into the bedroom. So once you enter, on the left would be the sleeping area. Okay, so this sleeping area is made up of 1 room and a little bit more, because there's the original wall here that I've hacked away. So at the headboard side, this is laminate paneling. Okay, and then on top there's some box up for the projector. Okay, and of course to have some nice warm lighting, you can have a LED strip built behind the headboard. Okay, so this is a mechanical bed. So mechanical bed, you remember to always cater a power point somewhere at the side, and of course the left there's some side table, and the right as well. So this projector will screen onto this partition wall here. It's always good to have a partition wall because it's smoother. If it's the original wall, you got to plaster smooth, right, and then paint over. So you can see the projector, right, is projecting the video onto this wall here. Of course now it's very bright, you can't really see clearly, but I think you know what it means to project a projector onto the plain wall. You can see quite smooth. Okay, so at the sleeping area there is a sliding door, right? So this sliding door can give you more privacy, and then there's a recess handle where you can push open, and it slots into this pocket, okay, with a side panel. Okay, so this side panel is part of the pelmet as well. Okay, and then over here would be the walk-in wardrobe or wardrobe area. Okay, so there's a L-shaped wardrobe here. There are 3 doors. There's a low chest of drawers. Okay, there's actually there are 12 drawers here. Okay, partly it's also to hide the bracket of the aircon compressor at the back. Okay, and let's come to the master bathroom. So for the master bathroom, there's this fluted glass door, okay, with black aging and black hardware. So as explained to you in my previous video, there's this mirror here. That's the top hung window grill, okay, that is made by my carpenter. So this one will help to conceal a little bit of the ventilation fan behind. Okay, and then this will be the storage cabinet. It's a vanity cabinet here. So WC. So this very nice corner, you can buy some of the rack and then install here. So this will be the shower screen or the shower area. So behind there's a shampoo niche. So you can see that the floor and the wall, okay, is using one color tiles, okay, which is the 600 by 600 floor and wall tiles. So it gives a very clean and spacious look, right? Although this bathroom is a little bit tight, right, in terms of the space, but then at least you have one consistent color, so it doesn't make the place look too cramped. Hi, so thanks for watching this video. So I hope you like it. There'll be more videos coming up, okay? So I hope you continue to watch all my other videos, and remember to like and subscribe. I'll see you soon.